rice flakes milk smoothie, or dates raisins rice flakes milk smoothie, or dates rice flakes raisins milkshake. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the raisins recipes and one of the most unique of the dates recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice flakes milkshake recipes and one of the most different of the rice recipes. Today we're going to make dates raisins rice flakes milk smoothie. We've taken around 100 grams of rice flakes, around 100 grams of raisins fried in ghee or clarified butter, and around 100 grams of dates from which we have taken out the seeds, and around 50 grams of sugar. The dates and the raisins, the sugar, put in the rice flakes, close, and grind well. Now open. Now pour in 300 ml of milk, close, and grind well. Open. Now the dates raisins rice flakes milk smoothie is ready and then can be poured into the glasses. Pour it into the glass. This is the final dates raisins rice flakes milk smoothie, or dates raisins rice flakes milkshake. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice flakes recipes and one of the most unique of the raisins recipes and one of the most different of the dates recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the raisins recipes and one of the most unique of the smoothie recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.